Once upon a time in the enchanting town of Serendipity Springs, two souls, Amelia and Ethan, embarked on a love story that would defy all expectations. Amelia, a gifted artist with an insatiable passion for creativity, crossed paths with Ethan, a charismatic musician with a voice that stirred the depths of the soul. Their journey began on a fateful evening when Amelia attended one of Ethan's captivating concerts. As his melodies filled the air, Amelia found herself spellbound by the enchanting sound that emanated from his guitar. Little did she know that destiny had orchestrated this meeting, weaving an invisible thread between their hearts. Inspired by Ethan's music, Amelia channeled her emotions onto her canvas, creating a masterpiece that captured the essence of their encounter. The painting was a kaleidoscope of colors, each stroke representing the symphony of their souls merging into one. Serendipity continued to bring them together, their paths crossing time and again. Moonlit strolls in the park and heartfelt conversations under the starry sky deepened their connection. With each encounter, their love bloomed, and they marveled at the uncanny coincidences that united their hearts. But love's journey is not without its challenges. Amelia's artistic career hit a roadblock, and Ethan faced obstacles in his pursuit of musical success. Doubts and uncertainties threatened to overshadow their love, but they refused to let adversity tear them apart. They held on to their unwavering faith, vowing to support and inspire each other through every trial they faced. Their commitment solidified in a moment of profound love, as they exchanged unbreakable vows. They promised to be each other's rock, to believe in the power of their dreams, and to nurture the flame of their love with unwavering dedication. Together, Amelia and Ethan embarked on a transformative journey. They ventured beyond their comfort zones, immersing themselves in new experiences and diverse cultures. From the bustling art markets of Paris to the tranquil shores of Bali, they sought inspiration that would breathe life into their art and music. Their love story became a symphony that resonated with souls around the world. Their collaboration, merging Amelia's art and Ethan's music, evoked emotions that touched the deepest corners of the human heart. Their joint creations mesmerized audiences, spreading love, hope, and the belief in the extraordinary power of love's expression. Years passed, and their love story became a legend. The impact of their art and music rippled through time, inspiring generations to follow their dreams fearlessly and to embrace the beauty of love. Amelia and Ethan's love was not only immortalized in their creations, but also in the hearts of all those who were touched by their remarkable journey. In their twilight years, Amelia and Ethan sat together, surrounded by the love they had nurtured throughout their lives. They reminisced about their extraordinary adventure, the challenges they had overcome, and the joy they had shared. With a contented smile, they whispered their final goodbyes, knowing that their love story would forever be etched in the annals of time. And as the curtain fell on their earthly journey, the universe whispered its final verse, a testament to the eternal power of love that transcends all boundaries, defies all odds, and leaves an indelible mark on the tapestry of existence. Their love would forever be remembered as a beacon of hope, a reminder that true love knows no limits and that destiny works in mysterious ways. Amelia and Ethan's love story became a timeless tale, passed down through generations, reminding all who heard it that love, in its purest form, is the greatest masterpiece one can ever create. And as the world embraced their story, it celebrated the extraordinary power of love and the profound impact it can have on the human heart. In the end, Amelia and Ethan's love story stood as a testament to the beauty of serendipity, the magic of shared dreams, and the unbreakable bonds that form when two souls collide in perfect harmony. Their love would forever be remembered as a symphony, playing in the hearts of all who believed in the extraordinary power of love.